of the video conferencing applications that have become very popular over these last few months more than ever before is Zoom. And if you're like me, you may be obsessed with great video quality and audio quality. And it's safe to say that the webcam and microphone that's built into your laptop and or cell phone, as great as these devices are, they're just not going to give you the quality of video you're looking for in most applications. So you may be like me, where you have a old DSLR camera or even a mirrorless camera that you have lying around the place that you may want to use as a webcam. I upgraded from this D7000 to a full frame Nikon camera some time ago, and I had this lens put on for a while. As a matter of fact, I bought this lens. It's a Tokina 24 to 40 millimeter lens, almost as old as I am. And I had both of these on the shelf, and it really hit me the other day. If I could use both of these as a webcam in my Zoom meetings, I know the quality of video that's going to come from this camera is going to be far better than what my webcam will give me. And I came across this free open source software called DigiCam Control. Now that utility will work with any camera, whether old or new, regardless of the brand. Once you have your camera and the data cable that came with your camera, that's all you need to get the application going. And I'm going to show you where to download it and how to get it set up. Now, there are many applications that are out there that will do this, and as I've mentioned before, most of them are paid applications. But this particular open source software is free and it works very well. And I'm going to drop a link in the description with the URL where exactly you can get this downloaded from, what website. And once you click that link in the description, you're going to be taken to this website. You're going to click download, and once you click that, it's going to take you to another page where there are 3 versions of the software. Now, for our particular purpose today, we're looking at turning our camera into a webcam. So we're going to download the one that says webcam. Once you click that, your download will start shortly. And once that's downloaded, you're going to go straight to your downloads folder, wherever you have it set, and you're going to open the software. Now, I already have it installed, so it's a very straightforward installation. Go there, you click through all the options, and you will have that done within a matter of seconds. Once that's done, you're going to go to your desktop and open the DigiCam software. Now, don't forget, guys, you have to, at this point, hook up your cable to your camera and then attach it to your laptop or whatever computer you may have. So I'm going to go right ahead, and I'm going to get this attached to my camera. Then attach it to my laptop. Now, once you have downloaded the application and you have connected your camera to your computer and turn it on, you're going to go to your desktop where you should see an icon. You're going to launch the application, and once you have launched your application, you should see the interface pop up, and this is what it's going to look like. It should automatically detect what camera you're using, and you're going to see some camera settings here that are going to be reflected within your camera. Now, the great thing about this application is that you can control your camera settings from within the interface. So to get started, you're going to go to Start Live View, and here we go. This is my DSLR, and it's working fine so far. So we're gonna go right ahead and make some changes. Now, obviously, it's a little bit too dark. I can always change my shutter speed. I can change my ISO as well. It's looking a lot better. Yeah, this looks very good. And that's the beauty of this application. It's free to use and it's just straightforward and gets the job done. Now, how do we pair this with Zoom? We'll show you exactly how to do that. We'll go right ahead and launch my Zoom application here. And I have no meeting scheduled, so I'm going to go straight to new meeting. And here we have, this is the webcam built into my laptop. Now we're obviously seeing that this is not going to work, right? The quality is poor. So I'm going to go right ahead, and once I click in the camera icon, you should see DCC virtual camera. Once you do that, it should automatically switch you to the DigiCam Control application. And once you have it on and your camera is on, the Zoom will automatically pick it up. And I can do a number of things within here. I can flip the image if I want to from within. So let me put these side by side so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. If I wanted to flip the image, I could. Change the white balance as well, I can do that. So this is totally up to you, your preference. There's no right or wrong. You do exactly what you feel best suits you. But that is how we use our DSLR camera or any other camera as a webcam in Zoom. And you can do this with any other video application as well. Once it's able to pick up a virtual microphone or camera, you can use this application with just about any other application. Yeah, and that's basically it. The rest is up to you, and that's exactly how we get to repurpose our old DSLR camera or mirrorless camera and turn it into a webcam for Zoom or any other video conferencing software. Now, if you're pleased with what you've seen today, please remember to check in the description for the link for the DigiCam Control software, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can be further updated to whatever future content we release.